Today's book is Pete the Cat and the Bad Banana. Pete the cat is eating a banana. Pete loves bananas. They are sweet and tasty and easy to peel. Every morning, Pete puts bananas in his cereal. Sometimes Pete puts bananas on his peanut butter sandwich. But one day, Pete eats a bad banana. The banana is gross. The banana is mushy. The banana is yucky. Pete's tummy hurts. I will not eat bananas again, Pete tells his mom. Pink stuff. Pete's mom tries to help. She bakes Pete's favorite banana bread. Pete will not touch it. She makes Pete a banana cream pie. Pete would not eat it. She gets Pete a big banana split. No thanks, Pete says. Instead, Pete tries a lemon. It's yellow like a banana. Pete tastes it. Yuck, says Pete. This lemon is sour. Pete tries a pickle. It's long like a banana. Pete tastes it better, says Pete, but not as good as a banana. Pete tries an orange. It has to be peeled like a banana. The orange is sweet, but it's too juicy. It makes Pete's paws sticky. Pete tries fish, plums, rice, hot dogs, watermelon, and his mom's nut bread. Pete eats them all. He is not hungry for bananas anymore. Then comes the big race run. What did Pete have for breakfast? 3. A pickle? No, Pete doesn't eat pickles for breakfast. A hot dog? No, Pete just had a hot dog for dinner last night. A lemon? No, that's just silly. Pete wants a banana. They're yummy and healthy. Bananas are the best. Do you have another banana? Pete asks. Of course, says Greg the monkey. Pete peels the banana slowly. It's not brown. It's not mushy. Pete takes a teeny tiny bite. It's a yummy banana. It's the best banana ever. Start. Live. Thanks to Greg and his banana, Pete wins the race. Pete is bananas for bananas. Finish line. The end. What is your favorite part of the story? My favorite part of the story is where Pete tries a lemon.